Greetings guys, Law Architects here. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add rafters to your roof. So step one, let's create the roof layout. Alright, and then pick lines. Okay, now that we have the roof layout, step two, let's go to the 3D view and insert the actual rafter material. So we're going to go to insert, load family into your libraries, structural framing, wood, and timber, and then we're gonna select the size we want. All right, so once that is done, let's isolate the roof, select it, and then isolate element. Okay, so once you have that, go back to architecture and then set, pick a line and select the bottom of the part where you want to make the rafter on. All right, once that is done, step 3, let's go to structure and then select beam system. Once we select beam system, we're gonna click on pick line. All right, and select the direction of the beams in here, the rafters I meant. All right, so just over, and then let me connect this part. That is done. And then let's go to properties and make sure we select the layout rule. So I'm gonna leave it at fixed distance. So the spacing, let us say about 500 mm, just for the sake of the tutorial. Once that is done, we leave the justification at center and then make sure that the right rafter is selected in here. That's good. And then let's click on done, and there you have it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.